Hey everyone, today we are going to look at live migration from Microsoft SQL to Cosmos DB for NoSQL with Cosmos DB extension for Visual Studio Code and Adiom's Dsync. This is Microsoft AdventureWorks, our demo application. This is the backend database, which is Azure SQL. We can see all the tables, all the data. And this is our destination database, Cosmos DB for NoSQL. To have agents lead the way, we need to give them power or skills. We will install Cosmos DB agent skills and Adiom Dsync skills. Now we can prepare for the migration with Cosmos DB extension for VS Code. We need to fill out a little questionnaire here. And then we can kickstart the process. After we start with the first phase, it's pretty much click, click, click. So we will just fast forward it here. After this process has been completed, we can see the artifacts that it produced. We can use these artifacts for our AI coding assistant to generate Dsync configuration for data migration from SQL to NoSQL, and also to validate that configuration automatically. This is our prompt for the AI coding agent. It should produce scripts that we can run, but it should also validate them autonomously. Now we can start our coding agent in headless mode. It takes about 15 to 20 minutes to run. When it completes, it generates Dsync configuration files, scripts that we can run, and it reports on the validation results. In this case, to validate the configuration and do the full sync by itself. These are the files that the agent produced. This is our script that we can run. The script runs Dsync and handles all the configuration and preparation for us. This is the script to enable change tracking on the source system. This is the transformation configuration file, and we also have the connector configuration file for Dsync that defines the queries that we are going to use to fetch and denormalize the data. Conveniently, one of the artifacts that the migration process in Cosmos DB extension produced is the bicep automation file that we can use to create containers in the destination Cosmos DB database. After Cosmos DB containers have been created successfully, we can use the Dsync script to start the migration. As easy as that. And it's already running. We can view the progress in the web interface. It's all running on localhost in Docker containers. Here we can see that migration finishes instantly. After all, it's just barely 2000 documents, and it's already in change stream mode. We can check the data on the destination and see all of our collections as per schema design produced by the Cosmos DB extension, and we can see the documents in them. These are perfectly looking JSON documents. They are denormalized, some of them have arrays, etc.